Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to give you 5 ways of how to wear mom jeans. So if you're new to my channel, you should totally subscribe. If you're not new, thanks for coming back. Okay, so let's get started. I was at work and I took some notes on like how to wear mom jeans because I literally have a lot of free time at work. So yeah, I have my notes. And yeah, so the first way is dress shirts. Now I've been seeing a lot of pictures on the internet of like dress shirts of how you can wear mom jeans, and you tuck them in and they look really cute when you tuck them in. Like, I'm gonna put some pictures over here, of course. So it's like you can go to your dad's closet, or you can just go to Goodwill, all that good stuff, or you can just go to like Forever 21 or Charlotte's. They have a lot of dress shirts, so you can just go there. When you wear mom jeans, the whole purpose of wearing mom jeans is to show the mom jean. So like when you wear oversized, or you wear like oversized clothes, you don't really see the mom jean, you just see the jeans. Like the whole purpose of mom jeans is like the shape of your, to show the shape of your body. Like sometimes they make you look bigger, sometimes they make you look smaller. I know Forever 21 has like a skinny mom jean, and I mean it's cute, but it's skinny. Okay, mom jeans are supposed to like give you that shape, you know, that mom shape. So dress shirts, you could tuck them in and it'll look really cute. Like, and dress shirts are like so like I love dress shirts. Like I'm wearing them now. I just like them with like the patterns and everything, the colors they come in, they just look nice, casual, all that good stuff. So I don't know, but pairing dress shirts with mom jeans is really cute. Okay, so next topic, see-through shirts. Like my idea of see-through shirts weren't that keen. I used to hate see-through shirts because like, okay, it's see-through, like how you can walk out in public like that, but my stupid self didn't think of, oh, put a bra on. So I have one see-through shirt and I have not worn it yet because I have not found the right bra to wear with it. But those see-through shirts tucked in with mom jeans are really cute. You know that angelic pattern that you see everywhere? Like I know Urban Outfitters sells it because I've literally been in there and seen it. But Pretty Little Thing has a lot of cute see-through shirts. I was about to order one, but I didn't because I still have not found a bra yet. See-through shirts, and then you just put a cute little bra on, tuck them in, and they look really cute. Yeah, so see-through shirts are really cute to wear with mom jeans. Okay, crop tops. Now this is like obvious, like crop tops. I always wear crop tops with mom jeans, like those little like t-shirt, crop t-shirts, them long sleeve crop tops, just like little bralettes, anything like crop tops. Like it's not even a question, like come on now, like crop tops, oh my gosh. Dad shirts. Now I've been seeing a lot of pictures on the internet of dad shirts. I have yet to find a decent dad shirt that I like. I like the color blocked dad shirts. My dad doesn't have any of those. So but I'm pretty sure if you go to a thrift store like Goodwill or just any thrift store in your area, you can find a dad shirt. And the ones I see on the internet, I don't know if they're like recycled or not recycled, but like upcycled or whatever. I don't know if it's upcycled or whatever. It's probably Urban Outfitters selling them for like $50. So like I don't know where you can find them, but I'm pretty sure you can find them at a thrift store. Urban Outfitters might have some, but do you want to pay all that money? No, go to the thrift store. Yeah, you just basically tuck them in and it'll look really cute. And last but not least, I know I said crop tops, but this is like if it gets cold. This is like if it gets cold, like cropped sweaters. I have a cropped Kappa jacket, and I always wear that with mom jeans because it's cold and it looks cute. And it's like that, it's like an elastic band at the bottom, so it's like, I don't want to say it stays there because it be rising up sometimes. It do, but it's cropped and it's cute. And I also have a cropped Champion sweater, and I got these from PacSun. Yeah, PacSun. I love PacSun. They have some cute shirts. Brandy Melville, all that good stuff. Yeah, so cropped sweaters, cropped hoodies, like when it's cold. Sweaters. As for sweaters, a lot of sweaters are oversized. So unless you want to tuck a part of the sweater in, like whether it's in the back so they can see like the shape, that'd be cute too. But I still wear sweaters with oversized. What am I talking about? I still wear oversized sweaters with mom jeans just because, like, mom jeans is literally all I wear. They cost a lot of money, but I just like how they make me look, like the shape. They make me look like I have a shape when I don't. But yeah, like when you wear crop like sweaters and stuff like that, your tummy, it might be like a little cold, but like that doesn't really bother me. I live in Florida. It's like literally, how hot is it? Like 70 degrees. Like it's hot and it's January. So yeah, doesn't bother me. But yeah. And lastly, I mean, this is not really a tip, but like accessorize. Like when you wear the see-through shirts or like the dress shirts, like wear some cute necklaces. Like when you have them like open a little bit, wear some cute necklaces, stuff like chokers, or I really like those really gold accented necklaces. Wear some bracelets, you know, on the sleeve. You know, a lot of cute stuff to accessorize so you won't be walking around here looking like a plain Jane. You know what I'm saying? So really accessorize. And like as for shoes, I think a lot of sneakers would go with these outfits, but of course if it's cold you could wear boots, like thigh-high boots. Thigh-high boots look kind of cute with some mom jeans. Not really, but it's not that bad. But sneakers really still a look. Like I more than likely wear sneakers. Those are some ways that you can style mom jeans. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please follow my Instagram where I post a lot of my looks and stuff on Instagram. Like, share, not share, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the post notifications so you can know when I post. I'm gonna start doing more fashion videos because I looked at my analytics and a fashion video that I posted 2 years ago is still getting views. And I'm like, I even forgot I even posted that video and people are still watching it. So I was like, oh, this what y'all like? Okay, bet. So I'm gonna start filming more fashion videos. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy it. Please follow my Instagram, subscribe. I'll wait. You done? Okay, like, you know, like it so it could go up in the algorithm and people can see my videos. Okay, so please like it right now. I'll wait. You done? Okay, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. I really don't know how to end my video, so I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.